I take you now on a walking tour to the risen Christ. We have thunder starting at the moment. Again, clouds in Medjugorje. And you see it's calm, the sanctuary, it's 12 o'clock. And you hear temperatures are falling. It's not 31 degrees like yesterday and hotter. It seems a little bit fresher, so let's go together to the risen Christ. And I will show you also a bit the atmosphere at noon in Medjugorje at the sanctuary. You can see leaves are falling, so step by step autumn is also coming to Medjugorje. And it's a nice time to come in September and October because the temperatures are not as high as it was in June, July, August already. And let's go together. And the first raindrops are falling. Hello.
Allora. E mi hanno concesso le ferie, non è detto e me le davano,
And here we are coming to the statue of the risen Christ. Let's go together and I'll leave you with the impression of the risen Christ.
Esto no le gusta tanto a la gente de trabajo.